Hello, this is New England Industrial Machinery, and we're here doing a video demonstration of a Dynabrade belt sander with a variable speed motor drive, 1 horsepower, single phase, 115 volt. Looks like they got a chart here, speeds from 600 RPMs or surface feet per minute, I should say, to 4,000. And it's about a 3/4 inch, 5/8 wide belt. I have extra belts, 100 grit. The machine's in good working order. They call it a Virtubrade. Dynabrade Power Tools Virtubrade. Air operated tension. Instructions for the belt mounting. Pretty self-explanatory. Here's the nomenclature tags. Model number 65036, serial number 1127. Single phase, 115 volt. Manufacturing date 1988, November of 88. And here's the motor tag, of course. It's upside down, 1 horsepower, single phase. All right, we'll go ahead and fire this up, show you how it works. Turn the switch on. We got forward and reverse. We're in forward. We got the variable control rheostat. Good benchtop little machine for sharpening tools or polishing anything you have. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.